Hello friends, in this video I'll discuss about assistant professor exam chemistry syllabus. So we all know that there is a call for assistant professor in degree colleges in Karnataka state. So related to that one I am discussing about chemistry syllabus for that particular exam. You know that we have all passed set exam or net exam. So even some of you may have qualified this or completed your PhD also. The problem here in this case is that so the particular syllabus whatever they have mentioned here also contains non-chemistry related subjects, like we normally study physical chemistry, organic and inorganic chemistry, along with that one some part of analytical chemistry, but apart from that one they have included some other chapters also. So that we'll see. First I will tell you some of the main chapters. So first one is physical chemistry. Here it is a chemical kinetics. Here it is chemical kinetics. So then it is a gaseous state. So then solid state, photochemistry, then radiation chemistry. So then we have surface chemistry solutions, then we have electrochemistry, so then we have corrosion, ionic equilibrium, thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, third law, then chemical equilibrium, then we have a phase equilibrium, so then we have a nuclear chemistry, then we have a colloidal state and spectroscopy related to physical chemistry. Then we have industrial chemistry. Here in this case we are going to get fuels, explosives, glass, cement, ceramics, paints, refractories and abrasives, chemical fertilizers, paper, oil and fat, detergents, synthetic polymers, inorganic polymer, and like this. So if you see this one, this industrial chemistry, that we normally don't come across in our normal syllabus. So for that reason this one should be kept in mind. So then we have this environmental chemistry. This is also something different. So because so if you see the particular syllabus related to this one, environmental chemistry, ecosystem, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, effect of toxic pollutants on biosphere, formation of ozone layer in atmosphere, and disposal of mechanism for waste, solid waste and nuclear waste. So then we have this biochemistry. So this biochemistry is again something different subject. So here we come across carbohydrates, vitamins, nucleic acids, amino acids and proteins, hormones and lipids. So then we have this inorganic chemistry. So here in this case it is a quantum mechanics and atomic structure, chemical bonding, S and P block elements, D and F block elements, coordination compounds, metallurgy. Right, here it is a metal carbonyls. So then we have this organic chemistry. First one is organic chemical mechanisms, reaction mechanism, alkenes and cycloalkanes, alkenes, dienes and alkynes, arenes and aromaticity, heterocyclic compounds, alcohols and thiols, phenols and carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acids and their derivatives, nitro compounds, reagents in organic synthesis, all these things are there. So then stereochemistry, conformational analysis, then prochirality. So here in this case the most strangest thing which we come across here in this case is this particular thing, that so this one, that is this part, industrial chemistry is something different, and also this environmental chemistry is also different. So this biochemistry normally we come across this one in as a part of organic chemistry, that is also okay, but apart from that one, so all these things are different. So we need to take more interest related to this one, so then only we could able to get marks and we can able to pass this exam. So this is like this particular syllabus is last time syllabus. So this time the syllabus may change, it may not change also. So let's wait and see what is going to happen in coming days. So we need to wait for the official notification yet to release related to that particular job. once the exam applications are announced, so after that we need to wait for the exam date to be announced. So it will take around 4 to 5 months time before the actual exam date. So thank you very much. If you like this video, do like and subscribe this channel for more updates related to this assistant professor job. So thank you very much.